Yeah, yeah, true. Okay, okay, yep, I have to go now. Okay, bye bye. Hello, and welcome to takekmobile.com. This time with a tablet and a Samsung Galaxy Tab to be more specific. But as you could see, you can actually use it as a phone too, because this is the European 3G version. So Galaxy Tab, it has been with me now for the whole weekend, and I want to share the first impressions with this device and go through some apps and other cool stuff surrounding it. So keep your eyes on the screen. So, to my first impressions then. I've been actually enjoying it a lot. It's really light, it actually feels just the right, just like it should be. Not too much, not too little by the looks. It's thin, it's actually less thin than my Droid, which is a good thing. The shape is kind of curved from the bottom and top, as you can see, so it's nice in your hand. As you can see, it actually rotates to any direction, which is kind of cool, kind of annoying sometimes, but that's the way it is. The capacitive buttons here, they're nice, okay to operate, function just like they should. Everything is working in that sense just like it should. So enjoying a lot. Really good feeling, good quality, just what I would expect, even actually better than I expected. So I really like the screen, especially. That's really nice to use. The feel of it on it is really nice. It's really on a finger. It slides really nicely, because actually they coated that with some special coating, so it's quite slippery, and the whole device actually is quite slippery, so you might want to be careful not to drop it. And actually now surfing on Engadget, we see its biggest rival or competitor coming to America. So ViewSonic ViewPad 7 official info, let's read that later. But really, 7-inch devices, that's the competitor. I think even it's not exactly the same device. So enjoying the surf. It's nice. It's working great. No really deal breaker. People have been asking about lag on the browser, and I haven't really noticed that, but I'm actually using the settings so that I have the flash on demand, not always on. So if I would have a flash always on, it would have some lag sometimes, but as it's like this, there is no lag, as you can see. One thing I don't like is the fact that Flash is interfering with my YouTube stuff. So this is how it looks when you have the Flash on demand. So you have this button here, you have to press that. Let's try again, yeah, like that. And then it shows you the video link, then you have to press again to start it. But of course I would like to see that on a YouTube player, so I have to press again, and then I can choose the YouTube player. Actually, you would just see the YouTube player opening, but I have installed so many stuff here, so it's asking how I want to do it. So let's open a YouTube player. So it works, but I would rather see it not using the flash for YouTube, because it's not how it should be done. And as you can see, multi-touch, zooming, no lag there. It's fast and works fine. So flash works, but I would actually love to get rid of that in many ways, because I mostly watch YouTube, but you can't do it because it's installed there on default. If I root this, well, when I root this, then it's another question, then I can get rid of it. So let's do a little bit surfing here while I'm talking, so you can see the performance a bit. So rotating while loading, working nicely there. Let's surf to some bigger sites. By the way, the bookmarks folder here I'm using is live bookmarks. I really like to do that. So let's open the reader. So really the surfing and the use on the internet has been enjoyable with this little fellow. I'm enjoying that a lot. And of course all major sites work. It defaults to mobile, so some sites may ask you if you want to go to desktop or not. So that's the case. By the way, that's my Facebook page, so go to facebook.com/jkkmobile if you want to see my stuff on Facebook. So surfing, great. YouTubing on a YouTube app especially, really nice. It's playing nicely. Let's see this one. It's either portrait or landscape, and it's really nice.
No, that's.
And also YouTubing on a mobile site is not. I'm not really liking the full YouTube site, so I rather do the mobile site because it's faster that way. Let's see what we have here. There is some guy showing some gear, and again,
Hello and welcome to JKK Mobile.
on YouTube
If you like tablets,
you can do this.
especially Android ones, I have some.
So YouTubing is cool on the mobile side, especially because then it doesn't load the flash, so I like it. Another thing for me, come on, go away. Well, there you have some lag. Let's see if something happened there. Did I crash something? I think I crashed. Oh, browser crashed. So I've seen that few times, not too often, but still few times, and of course that's not nice. The default browser, as I said, defaults to mobile, and on a big screen like this it's not that fun, but there is other browsers, and the next best thing, at least I'm thinking, is Dolphin. Here is how Dolphin looks. It has tabs, so you can add multiple tabs, and it actually functions really nice. Let's load Engadget. Come on, load it. And let's tease it a bit while loading. Let's turn it. It's actually turning way nicer than the default browser. Samsung has been doing some kind of things on it, so I don't know what's going on there. But this is cool browser. My side again. It's nice to have options, and of course that's all about Android, where you have options. Hey, come on, go there. Okay. So surfing is just fine with this guy, and same thing with the Dolphin. The flash works exactly the same. You get the flash stuff or not if you want. Put it on demand, otherwise it will suck. Another fun thing, I really enjoy taking pictures and videos with this, because the viewfinder is really huge, and it's quite nice to access all the settings because of the big buttons, so it's cool. I like it. There's even some special options on that, and video mode here, and the picture mode I actually have on a settings. I have it to show the preview, but let's take a picture. I show you how fast you can take another one. That's it. And again, let's open it from the scratch. That's always people asking for that. So picture and back. So it's fast. At least for me, it's fast enough. And with a big screen, of course, videos. That's cool too. Let's first check the pictures I just took. So again, multi-touch. It's fast. It just works. Ooh, that's my son's toy there, my son playing with that. There's Donald Duck. So it's nice and clean. Let's do some videos. Where are your videos? Videos, there are some videos. Let's show the videos again.
Hello, and welcome to TakeAGameMobile.com. If you like tablets...
So videos are really cool on that. Actually, I have to show you the video interface because that's nice too. So you get volume here. You can adjust brightness. I'm not using the auto brightness now because I want to show you how I'm filming. You can choose the aspect ratio a bit like that, and of course you can jump nicely. It's cool. I like it. The player is okay. And on the video playback again, let's open all the videos. Where did I put you? There is that video list thing. So let me do it this way. Let's play some high quality video. So let's 1024 by 600 this video. It's really it's looking nice on that, especially if I do this. Yep. You can see it's smooth and nice. Then let's do, I think this is 720p. Yeah, let's do that.
Gadgets and everything else that's interesting about it. It's in German, so
Really nicely played. Let's
first of all get your world screwed up, and then lift up. As you can see, something's missing.
it's really nice.
To the top a little bit like that. There we go. And you just have to pull it out.
So the size, the screen, everything is really good for videos. And then let's do some full HD. So 1080p coming up. This is looking like this. It's not 100% sharp, but it's playing 100% fine. So let's see there if there is any action. Where is Nicole? Show yourself. No? Just the device. But anyway, you get the picture. 1080p, downloaded from YouTube, works fine. And of course you can download YouTube stuff pretty nicely if you install the, where are you, man, the TubeMate. So that's a cool little app for downloading videos. You can download any video, and it even asks how you want to download it, so it's cool. My favorite there. So that's my kind of stuff, what I'm doing with it, and on that sense enjoying the use, really. 7-inch, I think that's perfect size for many things. Ebook reading, that's one thing I do. I use the Kindle app, and as you can see, well, you actually can't because I'm using really low light settings here right now, because I mostly read in bed when it's dark. Let's put some light there so you can see it too. Let's put it actually to white. So reading with this is just the perfect size for reading, and it's not too heavy like the bigger tablets. So really nice to read on it, especially when you're sitting upright and not too dark environments, because this is really bad thing about it. When you touch the screen, buttons always lit up. So when you're in really dark environments reading in bed, the buttons always lit up when you change the page and then go down. So they are way too bright for that. So I really would like them to be disabled when you're reading, or have a setting for that or something. And then again, when you are in the darkness and you try to use it, the problem is that as they go away, if you're doing something and you're like reading a page, they go away, you can't see the buttons, because really it's impossible in the dark to see them, and the lights go off, so you have to actually touch the screen first to know where to hit. Of course, in time you will learn where they are, but still, I don't like it. On my Droid, the buttons stay open lid as long as the screen itself, so I would like that way too, or control it some way. Ebook reading, Kindle, like I showed, it's cool. I like it the best, but of course you can do others. It actually comes with the Readers Hub software, so you can get books from Kobo, and they look like this. So again, okay reader, maybe a bit too much on the sides, but still it's okay. You can read that nicely, and in future it should have magazines and newspapers, but it's saying service coming will be available soon, so that's not working yet. And also it has another ebook reader there, and that's for your own EPUB files, so you can put some EPUB files there and read those. It's not that fast now. Marvelous Land of Oz. Oh, yeah. Cool features that are making stuff sometimes slow. It even, I don't know if you hear it, but there is even sound of switching pages. Really cool. No, not. Okay, ebook reading is fun with that. Music, it comes with the Music Hub, but I'm not subscribed to that, so I can't really listen to them. But music, the playback on the speakers is good. It's nice on the speaker phones. Let's play something. Well, you heard it actually on videos, so let's not play. Let's check the apps. So ebook reading apps, music app, then they have all share app here, which is looking like this. It's searching the network devices. Let's go actually back there. So it's searching from my network different devices if they are capable of streaming videos. So I choose my desktop and my device, and you can do it the other way too. You can send stuff from the device to another. So, but let's choose this and let's try that too. That's actually quite cool. So it can access all my videos and pictures and audio from my desktop, and it's actually playing pretty nicely on any files like Windows movie media files, Windows videos, and also of course MP4s, also FLVs, so that's cool. Let's see, what should we play? Oh, well, another tablet there, so it's now starting to stream it.
So JK Mobile again, checking out mobile device.
I'm streaming really nicely.
10-inch tablet, and it's called Green Whale. So
I like this feature, and pictures too. Of course, I would love to see the previews. That it doesn't have previews on pictures or anything. There's some music. Let's put it on. Yep, so music is playing fine on this one, and streaming from the network too. So that was all share. Let's close that. And then what they have done too is digital frame software. I don't know if they did it or not, but you can have a slideshow, a musical clock. Small little app which is kind of nice. Daily briefing, that's for your weather, finance like stocks, then news from AP Mobile, and then the calendar stuff. So cool little app there too. What else we have here? We have the calendar. Man, this is something. So they did their own calendar, and I hate it. I just absolutely hate it, and it doesn't come with the normal Android calendar. So so this is reason number one. I need to root this device to get rid of this and install the normal vanilla Android calendar to this one. I just hate it. You may like it, but I hate it. Memo software here, so you can do some little writing and have memos from that. Cool little app there. Their email software is kind of cool. It has 2 panes. Oh, I didn't set it up, but I will show it on different app. Let's do messaging. So it's same as messaging if you have the messages here or emails here and then the email itself on the side. So they've done some cool things for that. So if you're a portrait, it's showing it like this. If you're on landscape, it's like that. It's nice. Same with the email, but it has also the normal Gmail here, so nothing special on that. And of course that's working fine too. Okay, let's go back to the apps. Was there something else on this? No. Then Samsung apps. They have their own app store, and there was 2 apps. Remote control software for their TVs, which I don't have, and then a video playing app which I installed. Here it's playing random funny videos from the net. Let's see, where are you? It had a funny name. No. Where are you? No. Should be somewhere. No. Oh, Plink's Beat. So it's playing random funny videos from internet. Oh, hilarious and exciting. Fat cat in the pot is the next video. So funny videos, and then you can jump to next one and so on. Really fun. Okay. And phone does the same thing too. You have 2 panes here, numbers here. Logs do that too. You can check who has called and all. So on contacts, same thing. And again, when you rotate, it's different. So they have done that to tablets. Well, it's good. It's better than the calendar, but still I don't understand this wooden background there. Okay. There's plenty of small things that they have done. Some are good, some I just don't like. I would love my Android as it is. And the apps typically work nice, so they are pretty nice to use. If they are intended on this kind of device, it's actually really fun to use. So typically the apps, like you can see, they work out of the box as they should. But there are also problems, especially on 3D games. So let's do some gaming. And this is not good. So as you can see, it's not using the full screen. And I don't know why. I think it's because of the CPU. Because I've played this game with another high resolution screens and it was full screen, at least on Tegra 2 devices. So for some reason it's not going full screen on this. So it's either the CPU not wanting to do that or the developer doing it some weird way or something. But typically all the rest is working fine, all the other softwares are working fine, but 3D games, and this is pretty bad. Engadget app, again that's centered. Of course it also doesn't go to landscape, but the centered thing, that's just stupid. And it even happens to videos. So developers, please do your stuff right. This is not the way to do them. So it should open the video, hopefully. Are you opening it? It's streaming, so it might take a while. As you can notice, by the way, the screen is getting pretty... Oh, Engadget force closed. Okay, let's not check the video. But the video is small too, so that's not good. So as you can see, screen is getting pretty fingerprint marked, but I only need to wipe it just a little bit because it's so slippery, so it's easy to clean, and that's a good thing. So there we go, nothing there anymore. So that's how it's working for me. There's plenty of things I will show you. Next one of the things will be routing and explaining why and so on. But there are plenty of things that are not working, like Fring is advertising on a Google market that Fring works. This is done for the Galaxy tab, but no way, the video calling isn't working. Check what happens. Let's do landscape. It actually turns this way.
Thank you for calling. Please film yourself recording a 10-second clip and we'll play it back to you.
Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. So now it should play it back. And it doesn't, because it doesn't record anything. And I've of course called to other people and same thing, it doesn't work. Same with Skype, you don't have Skype yet. Also quick, as there is a quick chat for some other devices, but for this one it's just the streaming thing, which actually works fine, but not for video calls. So video calls you can make on 3G, so normal calls like on any other device. I'm not doing that now, but it works, and the quality is, from this end, is good. If the other end has a good cam, it's okay too. That's a bad thing. No video calls on those. Also the App Center, some App Center when they're done wrongly, and that's a bad thing. Skype working fine. Oh, another ebook reader, Nook, is working fine on it, of course. So let's show you a Nook. That's it. And again, fancy effects, but working fine. Nook is working. And if you want to read PDF files, let's open the Adobe PDF file, and it's working fine. It's rendering sometimes when you scroll a bit slowly, like on other cell phones and others too, but it works. The text goes a little bit small on that way, but that way it's perfectly readable. It looks really, really good. Again, rendering takes some time, so. And of course you can do that. There is a PDF file with a, actually that is a good thing going on with a tablet, so landscape stuff and so on from Al Sutton, so I just read it with this. So as you can see, same thing, rendering takes some time, but it works. These are pictures on that. But you can also read PDFs from the included Think Free Office. So same thing here. Let's open it. And again, rendering takes sometimes when there's pictures involved. Let's go back. My files. Let's open the. Is it on download? Let's open that resume file. It's a sample file from internet, so you can see how this one renders it. Actually better, faster. I like this more than the default one, and of course multi-touch zooming works fine. It's faster to render, that's a good thing. Cool. And so you get also a cool 2-pane file browser from Samsung. So reading PDF files is cool, many other things are cool, but some things are not cool. So the worst stuff, well, like I said, some game centering. I've never saw that on other tablets, so let's see. I try to get info why that is happening. Another thing I don't like is this proprietary plug. So this is where you charge it with a USB cable. So you cannot use micro USB like on phones, but that's not all. You can't actually use USB for charging. You have to use the power socket, the power adapter, wall socket adapter, because this thing needs 2 amperes to charge. It actually says it so there. So 2 amperes, 5 volts, and those small chargers we have laying around in the car and home and so on won't charge this. Neither does any of my computers. I've tested with desktops, laptops, netbooks, nothing charges it. It doesn't charge on USB, so you have to use the wall charger, and that's a bad thing. So you can't use external batteries and such. I don't like it. Well, the good news is that actually the battery life is really nice with that. When I got it the first day, I was of course installing all the apps, playing a lot with it and so on, browsing the net, really pushing it, taking pictures, videos, whatever. It was 6 to 7 hours on full throttle. The next day, not that full throttle, but always on, playing, testing and so on. 15 hours. So really, it's really nice on the battery life. It's good. The charging is bad, but the device itself is good. I like the battery life. You don't have to really think what's going on. Let's see. Oops. I was just checking the mail. Oh, one actually cool thing. Let's put that mail away from there. Cool thing is their top bar. So typically you just see the notifications there on Android, but they also have buttons to enable, disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, silent mode and orientation lock, and also adjust the brightness. And this goes pretty bright, I like it. And you can set it to auto, but I don't want it to do that now because I'm filming, so let's keep it as it is. I'm using it on auto settings, so I like it that way. It's, like I said, fun, not that many stupid stuff. The flash, that's sometimes annoying me, but it works pretty nicely. Let's show that too. The charging, that's something I'm not enjoying. I really would like to charge this on my computer's USB. And let's open. Actually, this is really heavy. Flash. Let's open on Engadget the videos there. And you will see how that works. So the flash is now on demand. Let's press it. Yeah, and then press play. Let's put some volume.
Hello, it's Miriam with Engadget, and we wanted to give you guys a comparison between the Desire HD from HTC, the flagship currently for the...
And as you can see, it was just few seconds, it was a little bit animated, but now it's playing nicely. So on my type of videos, I want to see these devices and so on, it's okay. The flash works fine on that. But then if you do really flash heavy stuff and you need to manipulate the site while playing the flash, it's like you see I'm trying to scroll same time the flash player is there. It's getting stuck, so position the player first and then put it on, and that way it's cool. But the videos work. Let's stop it. So as you can see, it's getting annoyed for my scrolling, testing and so on. It doesn't like that, so let's go away. Go away! Flash is really, it's heavy. Okay, but still, I rather have an option than not, so that's good to have options always. Oh, I will do another video actually showing the LogMe in Ignition and other cool stuff I have found, so keep your eyes on my site, there is plenty to come. This is one thing I wanted to show you the last. It's actually on red. This is the widget for the task manager, and actually that's kind of nice. It's on red now because the browser is still on and it has the flash there, so it's red. It's using the battery, they think. So it's showing it's using actually 67% of the CPU, so it has a button to end it. So that's kind of cool. So it monitors the stuff happening on your computer, and if we have multiple stuff here, oh, this was the one I forgot to show you. So, but it monitors the app, so you can close them if you want, and you can see it goes red when it's using the battery a lot. So really nice implementation. So people have been talking that Android apps are not ready for tablets and so on. Well, sometimes they're not, sometimes they are. Perfect example, Twitteroid. Twitter app, which looks like this on a mobile phone. It's cool, fast, nice, I use it all the time, but when you turn it on landscape, you have pane view. So you have the tweets here, and when you click it, it will open the link on the browser, and it actually uses either the Google mobilized version or a full version. I'm using the full version here, so actually that's why it's taking some time to load this page now, but let's wait. It's going to Vodafone Shop. I don't know if I want to go there, but anyways, there you go. Let's open DroidCon UK tweet there. Let's hope that's a faster site. Yeah, page not found, okay. But you get the picture, so you can browse the tweets there, and then it opens them on the pane. And then again, if you turn it around, it's back to normal. So this kind of features we will see in future on many apps. Tablets are coming, and I hope to see more of this stuff. But hey, already spent too much time, your time. I will make more videos, more specific stuff. This was first impressions. I like it. There is stuff that should be better, like the charging, the flash handling stuff. Well, basically I want to open YouTube stuff on YouTube, not on flash, and as you could see, it was not that fun to operate. The Samsung stupid calendar and some other custom stuff I don't like, but many other stuff I really like. It's cool. But hey, next video coming in few hours. Those were my first impressions. More stuff about this and other stuff too coming really soon. Thank you, bye.